Good afternoon. Today we are going to look at the features and functions of computer applications through the following objectives. First of all, let us understand what is the meaning of features and functions in the context of computer applications. Features and functions refer to the capabilities and actions that a computer application can perform, meaning that these features are the specific capabilities or characteristics of an application, such as the ability to import images into word processor or the ability to perform mathematical calculations in a spreadsheet. Whereas functions are specific actions that an application can perform, such as the ability to send and receive emails or the ability to video chat with others. Now let's look at some of the features and functions of common Office programs that we use every day for our daily activities in the office. We'll start by looking at Microsoft Word features and functions. First, let's look at Microsoft Word features, where they are and how they work. The feature in Microsoft Word allows you to import images is called insert or insert object, as indicated in our right illustration there on this slide. And then the second one is formatting options. Word provides a variety of tools for formatting text, including font style, color, size, and alignment. Below here, I've also included the font size feature. Then when it comes to Microsoft Word functions, Microsoft Word has word count, spell check, find and replace. Like you can see on the far right of the slide there, we have a screenshot of word count, which basically allows users to see the number of words in their document as well as the number of characters and paragraphs. Then let's go to look at Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel features, these ones, they allow users to perform mathematical calculations, and they are referred as formulas. Formulas are basically, you can use them to add, to subtract, to multiply, and divide the numbers that you're working with. In addition to that, in our illustration here, we have the date and time feature, which basically allows you to add a time function. So when it comes to Microsoft Excel functions, these functions add up the values in a range of cells. For example, we have average, we have maximum, we have minimum, and we have if function. And you can see there under the feature logical there, we have the function if. Actually, we have the AND function, the by column function, by row function, false function, if function, just like that going down there. So you can get all those functions from the feature called logical. Okay. Then we move on to Microsoft Outlook. Let's see what it has in terms of the features and functions. Microsoft Outlook offers a variety of features to help users manage their email, calendar, contacts, and tasks. Some of these common features available in a Microsoft Outlook program include the email, the calendar, the contacts, email management, the functions, the calendar and scheduling and task management. So meaning that we have the features and the functions in this particular case. And then the database management system. A database management system, DBMS, is a software application that allows users to store, retrieve, and manipulate data in a database. Some examples of database management system include Microsoft Access, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle Database, and PostgreSQL. So Microsoft Access, which is one of the common Microsoft programs that we use every day, basically it's also a data management system that allows or that includes a number of features which help users to store, manage data. And some of the features include forms and reports, macros and VBN, that is Visual Basic Application, database security. So below there we have some of the features, including table design, SharePoint list, query wizard, query design. All these are the features, okay, under the Microsoft Access. And then the Microsoft Access functions. We can have functions such as data input and export, data import and export. This Access allows users to import and export data from and to other databases, like in a text files form, Excel spreadsheet form, data validation, data security, and the data integration are also the functions of Microsoft Access. Below here, we have an example of a data export function, which you can take your Excel to Microsoft Access, or from your database to a text file, your database to Excel, your database to PDF or XPS. So this is the functions that you can access when you're using this Microsoft Access. Then we have features of operating systems. An operating system like Windows 11 has the following features, like we have the startup menu and tasks, snap layout, and widgets. So on the far right of the screen there, I have illustrated an example of a widget, which basically provides quick access to latest news, weather forecast, and other information, as you can see there. Then we have the functions. What is a function in an operating system? We have functions like file management, where your files are managed. Security, this one is responsible to manage and secure your computer against malware or viruses that may come through internet. Then system settings, power management. So these are the functions which you should expect in Windows 11. And then let's quickly go through the competency in operating a computer, that is how to perform some certain tasks when you are working on your PC. So firstly, competency is simply the ability to use a computer efficiently and effectively for a variety of tasks. This includes being able to put your computer on, being able to put your computer on standby, able to navigate the user interface of your computer, managing files, and folders, install and use software applications, troubleshoot common problems such as loose power cables, loose network cables. These are examples of troubleshooting common problems, and also to protect the computer from viruses and other security threats. So once you have that ability to do that, then you are regarded as a competent individual. So like we have already mentioned, that this being able to put your computer on standby, you are regarded as a competent computer user. So like you can see here, we have few examples on all the steps that you can take to put your computer on standby. Like as you can see, firstly, the first step here, according to my list, you go to start button and choose power in the start menu, click sleep, your computer will go on standby. Okay, so basically those are the steps. Wait for the screen to dim and then for the computer to enter standby mode. Press the power button of any key if you want to come back and continue working on your computer. Okay, then the last one in this short presentation, we have other steps that we can take when we want to power on our computer or switch on our computer, such as the following, which I have here. I hope you can easily follow and you go and practice them. So these are the basic steps that you should demonstrate your competency when it comes to operating a computer, especially when you are a beginner. So thank you for taking your time to go to watch this short video, and I hope you have learned something from this short topic. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.